Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another very interesting trick for all maths lovers and for all those who love short tricks in mathematics, who love to calculate very fast and experiment with numbers. Different methods are there, they already exist. It's only about digging deep into a particular concept. When you master all these things, you handle the numbers properly, mathematics no longer is magic. It is pure maths. You start understanding, you start comprehending the numbers correctly in the mind, and that's what solves most of the problems. So friends, in this video, I have a very interesting concept. How to compare the ratios. So when we are given two ratios or three ratios, how to ensure that we know how to find the greater one or the smaller one. It's a very simple concept, but no LCM to be used. That is the point which I wanted to highlight. So I'll tell you the detailed thing in the first slide. I'll tell you the concept. In the next slide, I'll show you from where I have adopted this. And in the last slide, I will compare more than two ratios also. Okay, friends? So watch the complete video to learn the complete concept. The first thing which I want to highlight is, suppose you have a ratio like 3:5 and a ratio like 7:11. Now I want to find which one of them is greater without having to calculate the decimals or without having to take the LCM. So 3:5 is basically 3/5, right? And 7/11, that is the fraction form of this ratio. Now the numerator 3 gives a product of 33 by the denominator of the other fraction. That means 3 times 11 is 33. I have to write it below the numerator, not below the denominator, okay? And the numerator 7 gives a product of 35. Now you can see 35 is greater than 33. So the numerator for which the greater product was obtained is from 7/11, and therefore 7/11 is greater. Now very simple method, and I think no calculator, no pen and paper will be required to solve this. Even if the ratios contain little bigger terms, larger terms, like suppose you have 13:25 and we have say 7:18, and now I want to find which one of them is smaller or which one of them is larger. So I'll write 13/25 and I will write 7/18. Now 7 times this will be written below 7. So 25 times 7 is 175, and 13 times 18. So 18 threes are 54, 5, 18 ones are 18 plus 5, 23. See, 234 and 175. And we all know 234 is greater than 175. And so very simple, this 13:25 is greater. See friends, it is just about being smart. Nothing is difficult in mathematics. It is only how we understand, how we command the brain, how we actually comprehend the numbers correctly or incorrectly. So friends, the tricks which I keep on telling you through these videos, they have been compiled in a combo of books, The Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths, authored by me after 15 years of research. This is volume 1 and volume 2, which are now available on Amazon. The links are given here in the description below. So YouTube videos obviously will help, but these two books are going to be a treasure for you throughout your life. And you can send me a message on WhatsApp also if you have any queries. 9896369963 is the WhatsApp number. I'll show you a glimpse of the title pages. Here you can see The Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 1. This contains video links also for ready reference. 2400 practice questions. Volume 2, 1300 practice questions. So in all we have 3700 practice questions with answer key obviously. Amazing for learning the short and smart tricks, for 10x faster calculations, for easy to understand, and even school students right from class 5 can use our volume 1 to understand the concepts and to comprehend the numbers correctly. Then If you are preparing for school Olympiads, NTSC, all these exams become so easy when you study from the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths. If you are preparing for any college entrance exam or placement exam or professional quant exams like SSC, UPSC, CAT, MAT, CLAT, railways, banking, LIC, everywhere quantitative aptitude is used. You need to purchase this nominal costing combo, volume 1 and volume 2. Amazing collection, you can have at your home, and these will be delivered to you right at your doorsteps. So I told you how to get a copy, and all these details are written here on each slide. So let's take three different ratios. Now suppose we have a ratio 2:7, and then we have a ratio 8:15, and finally we have another ratio, say I'll take how to start 5:11. Okay, so I want to find out of these three which one is the greatest. So I'll take 2/7 and I'll take 8/15. Take the product of 2/15, you get 30. Take the product of 8/7, you get 56. Now 56 is greater, so 2:7 is eliminated because it is smaller than 8:15. Now I'll compare 8:15 by this one, 5:11. 8 gives the product of 88 with 11. 5 gives a product of 75 with 15, and therefore 88 is greater than 75. So 8:15 is the greatest or the largest fraction or the ratio among these three given ratios. See how quickly I do it, and how quickly we can actually do it if we study from the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths volume 1 and volume 2. WhatsApp number is there. Amazon links are in the description. Don't miss it. This is going to be an asset for you throughout your lives. So friend, do prepare well. Do understand these logic behind all these tricks which I keep on posting. Everything is logic based. Nothing is like, everything has a reason behind it. So when you want to crack multiple choice questions quickly, then you need to be little smart. Do subscribe our YouTube channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and do let me know in the comments below, is this trick working for you? All the best.